So this is the practice for today. You can do. Keeping yourself upright, you can sit on the chair or you can sit down wherever you want to. I just want to show you, that's why I came forward. You can keep yourself upright and then right hand will go up and to the side little bit without tilting much. Just breathe in, breathe out. Deep inhalation and hold the breath. Holding means taking it so long and then with exhalation coming back. Basically, holding literally does not mean here you are holding the breath inside, because holding of breath, the Kumbhaka should not be done for people with high BP already, who have high blood pressure, heart issues, any problem like that. Okay, you should not be giving any holding there, right? So always with inhale and exhale, your practices should be good. So this is a contraindication. No holding for people with all these kind of issues. Then inhale, deep and long inhale, and come back with exhale. What we are doing is we are trying to work on the thoracic area to move it little bit. Before the pranayama practices, you should be moving the chest muscles. Okay, then again. Stay connected. One more time. Last. Just relax. Like I said, after each and every Sukshma Vyayama, you should not be moving at all. You should be just feeling where you are feeling what after the movement. At least for a couple of breaths. In that, during that period, I don't want you to open the eyes. I don't want you to correct something, your clothing or whatsoever. Like people are very much fidgety, like they want to just keep changing the things. I just want you to relax once you do the practice and just keeping the eyes closed and feel. Because the moment you keep on practicing like this, these are the ways to get into meditation. Because every second you are preparing yourself for the upcoming event, right? So now bringing the hands together into interlace, keeping it for on top of the head, sitting upright. With inhalation, extend your arms up all the way higher. You can palm face up like this. Deep inhale and hold there. You can even look up higher by opening, by pushing the thoracic forward. And exhale. Relax. Inhale. Long inhalation, look up higher. Exhale. For people who are healthy, who are fine, no issues, they can hold the position for longer as long as they can. For people who have other conditions, you should not allow them to hold the breath. Inhale one more time. And releasing the hand and just feeling where you're feeling what. Just for a couple of breaths. Calming the mind, relaxing the mind. Okay, one more practice. Keeping the hands behind the head now. Interlace. Keeping your shoulders relaxed. Opening the elbows as much as possible with squeezing the scapula blade. Open the shoulders. Open the chest. And with this, without bringing the elbows forward, just twist to the left side with inhale, deep inhale first. Hold there for as long as possible. Exhale, come back to neutral. Inhale deep. To the right side, your elbows are still open wide. And come back. We are going to do two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Final. Inhale. Exhale. Just relax your hands and just again feel it very relaxed. All right. Slowly open the eyes. So all these are the things which will help you in your practices every day if you will do before your pranayama or before your meditation, because you will feel that the opening on the hip joint, you feel that opening on the, there was one more movement, cat and cow, we will do tomorrow. There was a lack of time. So these are the movement which you should do before your practice. So don't wait for this class to happen. If you do your practice in the morning or in the evening, please incorporate these sequence I will share with you in the notes, and please follow that with the breathing, with this chest opening. So we will do more chest opening things in coming days. So all these things you can incorporate, because these works, these are preparatory things before, even before doing the pranayama and thing. And what we are doing with that, we are at the same time calming the mind as we are doing this thing. We are being focused so that we are not suddenly expecting our mind to get relaxed with the moment I'm like, okay, meditation, and then it will, no, it won't. You have to prepare it like this, right? And then through pranayama, then through meditation, we go slowly. So everything is just a practice environment we need to make, right? So like this, we need to work.